Ooh, this is no good. No bueno. I gotta get out of here. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're having a good one. I'm out here in the bush, just kind of working my way inwards. I was gonna go over there, but I wound up riding through a rainstorm and I tried to record it, but I think I couldn't, so no, I'm not gonna take any trails today. Just going out for a nice leisurely ride. And my GoPro is acting goofy, of course. We'll see what happens. Oh, rough stuff. Hard on my bum. Just go that way. I'll keep going this way. This is the road that I lost my license plate on. Tell you what, if I hit mud on this road, I'm stopping and I'm turning around, because this guy and mud do not mix. It's one of my least most favorite things to ride on. I don't mind the gravel and I don't mind the hard pack. I don't mind a little bit of mud, but some campers out already. Maybe they've been out here for a while. I'm driving towards the storm. We'll keep going. It'd be a nice spot if it wasn't so muddy trying to get into it. Oh yeah, this is a little greasy in spots. Watch what you doing. Oh, could have went in there. We'll go this. I think this way dead ends anyway, so we'll go this way first and then go up the other way. Feels pretty solid. I'm going away from the crap. I think I put too much. Wee. That was fun. Yes, I know you guys are seeing all these trails, but at least I'm off-road. You hear mud plop, 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 coming out of my lugs. Maybe I haven't been down this way before. I don't know. Let's go and see where it goes. Man, it's windy. It's not that windy. Oh, there's a deer. Hey, deer. Ooh. Oh, dear. Dead end. But I need a drink of water. Shitty part about this is I gotta go back through that. Look at them clouds. Lovely. Good a spot as any. This is no good. No bueno. I gotta get out of here. There's a thunderstorm coming. And I don't want to get caught off-road. Really, really don't. Felt the temperature drop. No bueno. More stuff to explore another day. Dang, bugs. Yuck. Yeah, it is getting nasty, and I can hear thunder. I'm out of it now, but I just had to stop and make sure I had all my doodads. Okay, we're good to go. I wanted to do a bit more today, but turns out the weather is not going to play nice with me, so we shall carry on. Get out of here before that catches it, because it's coming this way. Cattle gate. This is so bumpy. zombie. Yep, everywhere I want to ride today is raining, so I'm going home. Oh well, I knew this was going to happen sooner or later.